it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to do the Motive X Promiscuous Tik Tok trend, which is really popular and it has a really popular move right now. I'm gonna explain everything to you guys. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. So the first part is the tornado move. So basically, what we're gonna do here is our right arm goes towards our left shoulder. Then our hand does like this circle around our head. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Perfect. And now our hand just goes up like this. And that's it. So all together it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. So the hardest part here is basically just doing it fast. So you just have to practice it first slowly, and then a little bit faster, and then even faster. And that's it. And that's all you have to know for this move. So after this, when we're here, our left arm goes down, and we're gonna bend both our legs. Then it goes up, and then both our hands go down. So basically, all together from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So after this, we're gonna do like this wave with our hands. So basically, one hand is on top of the other. It doesn't really matter which hand is on top of which. For me, it's easier to put my left hand on top of my right hand. Then we're gonna, so our right wrist goes up, then it just goes down slowly, and it should look like a small wave, like this. 1. Once again, 1. Once again, 1. Perfect. At the beginning, it might look a little bit weird, but then once you get the hang of it, you understand how to do it, and it's easier, and it looks really, really cool. So from the beginning, and we'll move on because we only have one move left. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the wave. And then after the wave, our hands just go above our head. So basically, our right elbow goes up, and then it goes back, and then down, just like that. Once again, wave 1. Once again, wave 1. Perfect. That's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to go slow, then fast, and that's it. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and wave, circle. Perfect. And now the same thing, but faster. Let's go. 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. Go follow me on TikTok, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye.